When people talk about technical indicators, they usually mention moving averages, RSI, or MACD, but very few mention this simple, powerful tool, linear regression. In trading, linear regression is a statistical tool used to draw the best fit line or curve through price data. It helps you understand the real direction of price, without all the noise, making it a powerful trend-following tool. There are two main types: the straight line version, also called linear trend line, and the curved version. When we add standard deviation bands around it, we get a regression channel. This lets you see when price is statistically overbought or oversold, when price has strayed too far from the trend. In other words, it turns a simple line into a reliable mean reversion tool. You can also use linear regression for forecasting by extending the line into the future to predict potential price direction. It's not a crystal ball, but it offers a statistically grounded outlook, especially useful in algorithmic or model-based trading. So how does linear regression compare to something like a moving average? Well, both are trend-following tools, but the linear regression line reacts faster, and instead of averaging the price blindly, gives a more mathematically accurate view of the overall price path. The result? Less lag, and a line that reflects the true market structure, providing a more reliable forecasting power. So, is linear regression just for retail traders? Actually, no. Institutional quants and prop firms use regression models all the time, especially for statistical arbitrage, signal smoothing, or market structure modeling, while they often use more advanced techniques like multivariable regression or machine learning. The core logic? Still built on linear regression foundations. There are many, many ways to use linear regression in trading. For example, as a trend filter, when price stays above the line, you only go long. When slope is up, you go long. As a mean reversion tool, when price touches or breaks the outer band, you fade the move. Or as an entry or exit confirmation, combined with volume, RSI, or MACD. If you want to use a strong, robust, complete trading strategy combining at the same time trend following and mean reversion logics based on several advanced linear regression tools, I've built one. You can find more information on my ultimate AI-built trading strategy in the other videos on my channel or on the Ultimate Trading Strategy webpage. Thanks for watching.